After several leaks, Samsung has finally taken the wraps off the Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. Much like the approach taken with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus flagships, the Korean firm has seen it fit to bring dual cameras, a larger battery, and a bigger screen to the Plus model of the A6 series. The Galaxy A6 Plus is fitted with a 16MP f1.7 main camera as well as a secondary 5MP rear camera for refocusing and depth of field effects. In fact, the company says users can create shots with unique background blur patterns, such as stars and hearts. Look at the front and you'll find a 24MP f1.9 camera for selfies and video calling. The vanilla Galaxy A6 has to make do with a 16MP f1.7 rear camera only, as well as a 16MP f1.9 selfie shooter. Still, megapixels aren't everything in the selfie department, especially in low light. But both devices pack a front-facing LED flash for those midnight bar selfies. The two devices differ elsewhere though, as the smaller Galaxy phone possesses a 5.6-inch 1480 by 720 Super AMOLED screen, unnamed 1.6 GHz octa-core chip, and a 3000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A6 Plus offers a 6-inch 2220 by 1080 Super AMOLED display, unnamed 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, and a 3500 mAh battery. One other Galaxy A6 Plus exclusive feature is the always-on display functionality, which is odd given that both devices sport the same type of OLED screen. As for shared features, both devices have 3GB or 4GB of RAM, 32GB or 64GB of expandable storage, a fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, Bixby functionality, albeit no Bixby voice, and NFC, depending on the region. Pricing hasn't been disclosed, but the Samsung Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus will launch early this month in select European, Asian and Latin American countries before a wider launch in South Korea, China, and African countries.